खबरो विस्तारान KTCL आणि पेट्रोलियम संनियंत्रण आणि संशोधन संघटनेच्या मदीं मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराच्या हाजेरीत MOU सायन जालो. बस चलोवप्यांक कुशलकायेन बस चलोवपाक ट्रेन करून इंधनाची कार्यक्षमता कमी करपा खातीरचो एक उपाय अशें CM उलयलां. इंधन दक्षता ड्रायव्हिंगाक लागून राज्यांतली परिस्थिती बदलपाक शकता म्हूण मुखेलमंत्री फुडें उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आणि जॉर्ज फर्नांडीस.
This is basically combination of Kadamba with them in order to ensure that the drivers are trained to drive the bus safe and more fuel efficient. There are some wrong practices many times drivers develop. Though they may not be dangerous, still like clutching unnecessarily, clutching at wrong time. All these things actually are slightly dangerous, but more than that, they also reduce fuel efficiency. So this is mechanism where training will be imparted to ensure that they drive more efficiently. And if Kadamba can save improve 0.5 kilometer per liter, I think that itself will be few crores. So fuel efficiency driving system habit can change the scenario towards better driving.
So while you're rewarding good drivers, will the corporation penalize drivers who violate law?
We are doing that at present. See, in case we have any fatal accidents or any accidents, the drivers are penalized. We conduct an inquiry and we hold them responsible. Then their increments are cut. And we have a set procedure. In this exercise of this MOU we have signed, the KTC wants to improve. We have got a motto that we are giving safe and reliable services. So in view of that, we have signed the MOU today. I am actually thankful to the ED of that he has come especially Mr. Alok, because he is doing seminars all over India, and we are actually blessed that we have got him today here. In the same way, I have also requested the Chief Minister that they have the same seminars for private drivers also in the next phase. So after we finish this 900 drivers of us, we will shift over. And basically it is all in one. It is how to even conduct yourself towards passengers, towards the vehicle, and the main thing is the fuel efficiency.
The MOU which we have signed with Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited is basically meant for training all the drivers of KTCL in the context of fuel efficient driving. We have a module which is called Driver Training Program. This is a 3-day module where during first day we actually assess the driving skill of the driver as it is. We don't do anything, we just observe the driving skill of the driver. We try to find out the weak part of his driving skill in the context of fuel efficiency. Next day we provide them theoretical input, classroom input we provide them, and next day then we request driver to drive the bus as per the input given during the classroom session. Now this is one module, and we are aiming to cover all drivers attached with KTCL. There are roughly 800 drivers, 900 drivers in KTCL, and we would like to finish this training program as quickly as possible. Although this MOU has been entered into till the date of 31st March 2019, but we are quite sure that we would be able to finish our driver training program within 6 months of this current financial year. Now, going beyond this MOU, what we and Chairman KTCL and MD KTCL had discussed, and now we have decided that after the completion of this training program, we will observe the driving skill of all these drivers, and based on certain parameters, we will identify top 5 drivers who will be suitably rewarded during which PCRA called Saksham month. So this starts every year on 16th of January. So essentially after observing their driving skill and judging the top 5 drivers, they will be rewarded on 16th January 2019 in one function.